The Coding Careers for Women programme came about because we were working with the regional Skills Fora in the Midwest, and one of the things that industry brought to the regional Skills Fora was the lack of women in coding. So we wanted to make it easy for women to learn how to code. We worked with about 14 companies in the Midwest region with the Regional Skills Forum and Limerick and Clare ETB and Code Institute. That partnership meant that we could provide the Diploma in full stack software, and we advertised it and encouraged women who were maybe on the live register or maybe staying at home for a while or maybe changing careers to look at studying with us and to avail of the training. And it was very successful.
I was looking up courses to get into IT and coding, and I was looking for a course that was very comprehensive and covered it, that would take me from no coding experience whatsoever to potentially being employable right after it. So I found the Code Institute, and they were kind of turn around in about a year, that they take you from scratch to building full projects, and help would get you employed. So I did their 5-day challenge, really enjoyed it, and was like, this could be something I could do. And then I discovered that they had an initiative with the Limerick and Clare Education Training Board, which was a Coding Careers for Women. That really appealed to me because I really like the idea of being in a supportive group. Having that little community within our Women in Tech group was really good, as well as having the wider Code Institute community to kind of support you along.
Well, the impact has been marvellous. 71% of the women were engaged with software jobs at the end, 61% actually across the tech sector, and over 50% of those have got jobs, so they're employed. So the success for the Education Training Board, such as ourselves, and for the Skills Fora is women in the Midwest, in Limerick and Clare region, working with the Limerick and Clare Education Training Board, got jobs. And it wasn't just in the tech sector, it was across Fortune 500 companies and some of the best companies in the region that you could work for. So we were delighted with that success.
Before I started the course, I was working as a waitress. I had a master's degree in animal welfare and behaviour from Queen's in Belfast, but living in Limerick without a driver's licence, wasn't getting a job there, so I decided to do the course, and I've been in analog devices for nearly 2 years now, working as an associate analyst programming engineer.
Due to family reasons, I haven't worked for 16 years, so I want to continue my career again. So Code Institute and Limerick Clare and Education Board and Analog Devices given me a chance to get back my career again.
They taught us the core concepts that we needed, and that was extremely helpful. We had an idea of the work that we were doing.
We will continue our relationship with Code Institute, and we will continue the development of software programs in the Midwest. The partnership arrangement between the Limerick and Clare Education Training Board, Regional Skills and Code Institute is an example of how the three can work together in identifying the needs and then providing the needs and a pathway to industry.
The one thing I'd recommend to any woman trying to get into the IT sector, the Coding Careers for Women initiative is a really good way to go about it. You're never going to be left wondering, am I able to do it? I can't do this, because someone will be there to tell you, yes, you can do it, and here's how we'll help you to do it.